Namaste. Hello friends. I have already drawn the boxes over here, and today what you are going to learn is using a single color you will have to bring out different shades and tones of the same color. This is called gradient of colors. As an artist, learning this manually is very important. I have given the tips on how to hold the color, so do read them carefully. It will come as speech bubbles. Practice is very important in this activity. I have shown you one example here using a single color. Now it is up to you to bring out the gradients of colors in all the colors that you have. We have come to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching, friends. Until next time. Bye.